First of all, congratulations on the win. What can you say about the team's performance in today's match?
Of course, I'm very happy. Kasi yun nga, parang lahat ng mga tinainingan namin this past few weeks, lumabas na sa laro namin. And of course, we just need to follow the system of coach and yung points parang dadating na lang kasi.
So I am obviously happy because we win against the best team of the last conference. To be clear about this, I'm not crazy. I know that we won against the B team, and I know that we have to keep our feet on the ground. But is a B team very good? So we are happy to have fought from the beginning to the end, and we are happy to have had a very good reaction when we were losing 2-1. And after that, we keep increasing our energy to the end. This is something that I really appreciate.
Coach, Liam had 21 points in today's game. What can you say about her performance?
She raised her level from the beginning to the end. She started really good, then during the game obviously there is up and downs. And you have also to understand that, okay, my system is based on the idea of rarely having a starting six, but today I switch 5 times our starting six, and it's not simple to adapt. So to have a reaction like this is explaining everyone why she has been my first pickup in the draft.
Liam, what kind of motivation meron ka heading into this game? Since big game for you, 21 points.
Actually, nung una talaga, sobrang kinakabahan talaga ako. Like, pagpasok sa arena, sabi ko, ito na talaga, and grabe talaga yung content. And parang nga, sabi na ng mga artists ko, na parang relax lang, just enjoy the game. And yun, mas umano pa yung confidence ko with the campus.
Can you walk us through lang dito sa debut mo kasi ayun, out of town siya, sobrang daming tao, tapos against yung raging champions pa. So, walk us through lang sa promotions ito sa debut.
Siguro, tinadala ko lang din yung mga nagiging na-advise ko sa mga rookies ko nung na parang basta pag first game, just enjoy the game and follow lang talaga. Kasi once na pinafollow ko na yung system ni coach, parang mas magiging smooth yung galaw.
Coach, you said it yourself, you face a London is still strong. Going up against your young lad. So,
Can you hear the second part of the question?
you said it yourself that you went against a strong people, but it faced a useful talent in NXT. So, what can you say about the character?
About this, I am super happy. Once again, it's something that you have to feel to say to everyone that we are really happy, that the reaction has been happy, that we developed during the game and everything. But it's also honest to say that we played against not the real title guys. So let's stay with the feet on the ground. Okay, we played about 3 on 16, or maybe 3.5 or 4 of the real starting 6 of Petrobras. We are really proud of what we have done, but we have to continue working with a lot of humility, because if we think that we really win against the champion of the last conference, we are really crazy. So let's stay really on feet on the ground, really happy. I enjoy the moment, I enjoy the reaction, I enjoy the character. We have to develop.
Ian, paano mo lang hinandle yung pressure since knowing na isa ka sa top picks nung nakaraang draft? So, somehow ba may pressure sa'yo yun na dala-dala para sa performance mo ngayon?
Actually, yun nga, parang very excited ako kasi nasa isip ko talaga na parang very healthy competition ang mangyayari sa team namin. And of course, mga artists ko, veterano din. And parang mas matagal na sila sa PBR. And they know kung paano na maging mas smart maglaro, mga system ni coach. And ako, syempre, nasimula pa lang. So, inaalam ko ba. But slowly, parang mas natututunan ko ng bawat system. And of course, I'm very happy kasi marami pa ako natutunan. And yun nga, parang just enjoy the game and tiwala lang. And of course, sa help ng mga artists ko, mas nakapapadali yung journey ko dito sa atin.
Lian, siguro, ayun, 21 points mo, if I'm not mistaken, is the highest for rookie debut since na-implement yung draft. Gano'ng malaking boost lang to sa'yo since ayun, moving forward kasi ayun, malayo pa.
Siyempre, at least kayo parang nakapag-adjust na ako sa new environment ng bagong tribal community. And yun lang, parang same mindset lang na ibigay lang yung 110% every game. And of course, just follow the system. And yung mga sinabi ni Coach, yun nga, parang follow lang talaga kasi pupunta sa pag sinusunod lang yung mga instructions.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you,